Hello everyone, myself A. Sai Supriya and I am from CSC C section. Welcome to the concept video of probability and statistics, and my topic is critical region versus acceptance region. Level of significance. To specify the probability of committing a type 1 error, alpha, which is popularly known as the level of significance. We can determine the critical values which define the region of rejection, that means critical region, and region of acceptance. The critical value serves as the basis for either accepting or rejecting a hypothesis, where alpha is equal to 0.05. The region of rejection is 0.05 and the region of acceptance is 0.09. One-tailed and two-tailed tests, where H1 is directional, one-tailed test, where H1 is non-directional, two-tailed test. Type of tests, differences. One-tailed test. Region of rejection lies entirely in one end of the distribution, hypothesizing a range of values. Two-tailed test involves a critical region which is split into two equal parts placed in each tail of the distribution. A value of the parameter is being hypothesized. Mathematical formulation of H1, region of rejection, greater than. Area of rejection is placed entirely in the right tail of the distribution, less than. Region of rejection is in the left tail, not equal to. Both tail contains equal area serving as critical regions. Example, what form of hypothesis should be used? A civic organization is conducting a study to determine whether the proportion of women who smoke has increased since last study. Garment manufacturer suspects that average order size for units of men's has decreased from last year. A doctor claims that the average age of heart attack patient is 45. Let theta be the proportion of women who smoked during the last study. Therefore, H naught is theta equal to theta naught H1 proportional to theta is greater than theta naught. Let theta be the average order size for units of men's last year. Therefore, H naught is proportional to theta is equal to theta naught H1 proportional to theta less than theta naught. Example. This is the example for one-tailed. Given Z is equal to 1.645, alpha equal to 0.65. This is the region of acceptance. Area is equal to 0.95. Region of rejection is area equal to 0.05. This is the right tail. At right tail, the region of rejection 1.645, and this is the left tail. Example of two-tailed. Given critical Z values are plus or minus 1.96, alpha equal to 0.05, and the region of acceptance area is equal to 0.95. And here region of rejection area is equal to 0.025. The right hand side is 1.96. The region of rejection area is equal to 0.025 and left hand is minus 1.96. Thank you.